Hey, Mithai! Mithai! Sandy! Where is everyone? When will the function start? Rajiv and his family haven't arrived yet. Mithai!
Coming, grandfather, coming! Oh, Lord. Mithai is present in front of you. I returned late from Brother Rajiv's house. I was so worried, grandfather. Grandfather, come with me.
Huh?
Come.
Yes?
Please, take a look at the photograph and tell me if it's decorated well or not.
Oh, it's very nice. Hey, Mithai.
Yes?
I need to have some private discussion with you.
Uh,
You had been to Shree's wedding
Yes.
ritual, right? How did you find everything? Is Shree alright? Is she happy? I mean, has Ratul been able to accept everything well? You know what? I have been praying to Lord since the wedding. My poor motherless child, her wedding wouldn't have happened in this manner if Aarti had been alive.
Ratul, say for the next 7 lifetimes, I'm taking up your complete responsibility.
I'm taking up your responsibility for the next 7 lifetimes, Nipa.
I'm fine, Mithai. Just that I am scared, you know. I'm thinking about what will Nipa say once she comes back.
Ratul has messaged me right now. He has written that he has to go out of town for some important work and he'll be back home late at night.
It is not easy for Ratul to accept everything so soon. We must give him some time. As of now, we have managed. But when we go to the Manohara house in the evening, if Ratul doesn't come back by then, that will be a problem.
she is doing good.
What?
Sister Shri is happy.
Yes.
Sister Shri is very brave girl. She can manage everything nicely. Please don't worry so much. You will fall sick if you start worrying. Please don't worry so much, grandfather.
Grandpa? Ask this girl to answer your question. No one asked her to cook up stories. She has been asked a simple question. How is Shri doing? Are Shri and Ratul able to adjust with each other or not? She doesn't need to make a story to answer the simple question. Anyway, where is Shri? And why aren't they here yet?
They will be here in some time, brother Sid. She is at her in-laws' place now. She has to get permission before doing something.
Why? Aunt Shishmita has promised that Shri can do whatever she wants. Then why are you saying this? That means her career is finished. After such a result, it'll be of no use. Shri always misunderstands me if I try to advise her. But you tell me, Grandpa, was it so necessary for her to get married now? She ruined her life in order to save the family. Marriage. I just can't tolerate these rituals.
Grandfather, have you ever told your grandson that whatever he believes isn't always right? Or that no one could gather the courage to say this to him since he says nonsense and disgusting all the time?
Grandpa, this girl has become too audacious, you know? Why do you all indulge her so much? She can't give a straight answer to a simple question. She was asked a simple question about how Shri and Ratul were doing and if they were able to adjust with each other or not. Grandpa, why do you ask her these questions? Sandy, you tell me. How is Shri doing?
I was living in this house all these years, Sid. But you never asked me then.
Shri, why are you so late? I mean, why are you all so late?
Were you worried about everyone or only about your sister?
What kind of a question is that, Aunt? I don't have any answer to this. Actually, Aunt, you know what? Shri has been living in this house for all these years. She was building up her career according to her choice. But suddenly everything just changed for us. Grandpa was also worrying about her. Anyway, since you all have arrived, you please have fun. If required, you all can make some noise too. I'll go upstairs.
What? What do you mean? Shri came to this house for the first time after her wedding. Get changed and come back here immediately. Do as I say. Where is she? My darling Shri. Wow. You look so pretty. Hey, where is Ratul? Rajiv? Hey, Nanda. Why is everyone looking so gloomy? Has anything happened, Appa?
What?
No wonder. Where is Shri? Let me take a good look at you. Come closer, child. My granddaughter is looking so pretty. Where is Ratul?
Actually, Grandma,
Rajiv, why are you hesitating so much? Grandma, Ratul will come. Actually, he received an emergency phone call from his previous office, so he had to go. He will be here. He's aware that we all are here. Mithai? Hey, Mithai, why are you standing here silently? Aren't we going to start the function?
Oh no. Aunt Opa, Brother Rajiv and Brother Sandy, please have your seats. Grandfather, grandmother, please sit down. Let me make tea for everyone infused with ginger. Everybody should have a clear throat so we all can sing well, right?
Rajiv, I was saying Ratul will need the guitar, right? Where is he?
Said he will come in sometime. He has gone for official
What do you
work.
mean by that? What official work? As far as I'm aware, he hasn't joined any office yet.
Since when did you start inquiring so much, Siddharth? I'm telling you he will come in sometime.
Papa, just tell me exactly what has happened. Something doesn't seem right. Rajiv is so quiet. Nanda isn't saying anything. You are also so quiet. Tell me, where is Ratul gone? Shushmita and Animesh also didn't come. Papa, since Aarti passed away, I've raised that girl with all my love.
Mom, why are you saying all this? She told you that Ratul has gone out of Kolkata due to some official work, hasn't she? That's the truth. Mithai, is the tea ready? Serve the tea to everyone then.
Yes, I'm getting the
Don't
tea,
worry.
Aunt Opa. Tea infused with ginger. Tea is ready.
I'm taking up your responsibility for the next 7 lifetimes, Nipa. I'm getting an important call. I have to take this. Please, excuse me.
Actually, he received an emergency call. Do you remember the project that Ratul was working on? That job that he had quit? That job in a foreign company? It's one of the projects of that company. They had called up Ratul and asked him to visit their branch office. It was an emergency.
Mithai? Mithai?
You got scolded by the family members because of me. But Mithai, you trust me. I didn't want this to happen. I heard everything, but I didn't want this to happen.
Nipa? Nipa? Nipa, you've come back. How are you feeling now? My child. Nipa, come on. Let's go to your room. Freshen up first. You don't need to stay here. Come on, come with me.
Hi. Listen, Sushma. Sushma, I'm going in. I can't take it anymore. I'll rest for a while.
What's wrong? Are you feeling unwell? Should I come with you?
No, don't worry. I'm fine.
Listen, go carefully, slowly.
Aunt, you go and see if we have to call Dr. Ghosh.
Before that, can you please ask Ratul that how did he find Nipa?
My education and ethics don't allow me. That's why I'm not able to do anything. Otherwise, as your elder brother, I would have given you a thrashing. What does all this mean, Ratul? You have to justify yourself in front of everyone. What? What is all this?
Will you tell me what have I done? Will you? Nipa had called me. She wanted to talk to me. Moreover, I can't forget everything all of a sudden. Brother, I was supposed to marry her. I wanted to know why she left on her wedding day, that too with Aditya Agrawal.
Today.
Today, Shree's wedding ritual is supposed to happen. She served food for her in-laws for the first time. She was supposed to serve you too.
Ratul. Ratul, aunt was very upset after all this. And actually, Shri lied and managed the situation. Sandy. Sandy, what could I do? Nipa was in a bad condition. When I heard her voice on the phone, she was mentally unstable. How could I tell her in that situation that I was compelled to get married? Although I told her everything while coming back.
You know what, Ratul? When Nipa went missing, I had to take my friend Rudra's help to find Nipa. Mithai had given a clue, that's right. But I went to look for her, and I handled Nipa in that condition, Ratul. Then Sandy took her to Uncle's house in the ambulance. You know, Ratul, the least you could do was to call us.